Bonjour, today I'd like to tell you a quick story about the origins of the word bordel. Okay, bordel, if you look it up in the dictionary, it's going to tell you that it's a brothel, okay, un bordel with prostitutes, des prostituées. And we also use this word in slang to say damn it, okay, bordel, damn it, okay, so you'll hear bordel all the time in French. That's one thing. Now, the origins of that word is very interesting. So we had King Louis IX, who was a very pious king. Very pious, very good-hearted. He really was one of those rare leaders in time who really wanted the good of his people. He wanted people to be taken care of. He wanted healthcare to help the poor, feed them. He even, hid his identity in order to wash some random people's feet. And so he was very pious, extremely pious, and he did not want to see prostitutes around the city. So when he saw some, he would send them near the water, near the river, and that would be au bord de l'eau. Bord de l'eau. So it ended up turning into the word bordel. Okay, bordel, bordello in English actually. And there you go. So we have the word bordel from bord de l'eau, by the near the water, and that gave us the word bordel. Beautiful word, right? Anyway, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this little story. If you have any questions, comments, post them below, and I'll see you soon for another video. À bientôt, salut!